Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the best from Tifosi, the Swick sunglasses in Onyx Fade Clear. Whether you're a cyclist, runner, or simply looking for stylish eyewear for outdoor activities, these sunglasses are a must-have. First off, let's talk about the design. These sunglasses are built for comfort and performance. The lightweight frame, made from durable Grilamid TR90, weighs only 26 grams. It's the kind of lightweight you barely feel on your face, allowing you to focus on your activity rather than adjusting your glasses. The design also features an integrated hinge that prevents the frame from pulling your hair, which is a neat little touch, especially for cyclists or those on the move. The Tifosi Swank sunglasses are engineered with technology that makes them stand out. The hydrophilic rubber nose pads provide a no-slip fit that gets better the more you sweat. This is incredibly important for those long outdoor sessions, as it ensures the glasses stay in place no matter how intense your workout gets. They also come with Tifosi Glide, which makes them slide on effortlessly, so you can wear them all day without irritation. Now, let's talk about the lenses. The Swick sunglasses come with shatterproof polycarbonate lenses that offer 100% UVB protection, keeping your eyes safe from harmful sun rays. Whether you're out on a bright, sunny day or the light is reflecting off a lake during your run, these lenses ensure you have clear vision and protection. Plus, with the glare guard coating, you won't be distracted by intense glare, which is a huge bonus for any outdoor enthusiast. If you're looking for a versatile pair of sunglasses, the Tifosi Swank is ideal. These sunglasses fit comfortably on medium to large faces, offering a snug yet flexible fit. They are perfect for a wide range of sports and outdoor activities like cycling, golf, hiking, running, or even tennis. The sunglasses come with a microfiber cleaning bag, making maintenance super easy. All you need to do is wipe down the lenses after use, and they're good to go. And with Tifosi Optics known for their reliable and high-quality products, you can trust that these sunglasses will last and serve you well for years to come. To sum it up, the Tifosi Swank sunglasses in Onyx Fade Clear are lightweight, durable, and offer excellent functionality for any sport or outdoor activity. They combine style with comfort, ensuring that you get the best experience whether you're running, cycling, or simply enjoying a day outside. If you're looking for performance sunglasses that don't break the bank, the Tifosi Swank is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.